Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Subodh Pathak, currently working as Assistant Professor and Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon in MMI MSR Mulana. So with this global pandemic of COVID-19, everyone is bound at their home, which has affected everyone practically, but the older age group is more affected because they cannot go out for their walks, they cannot go out for their exercises, so which has led to overall increase in pain of the joints, so which is osteoarthritis. So what is osteoarthritis? It is a degenerative condition of which can affect any joint of your body, but more commonly affects the joints of the lower limb, and in that it is the knee which is affected most commonly. Other joints can be affected, like the small joints of your hands, your finger of your hands and your feet, but these are more common with some other systemic diseases. But joints of your lower limb like knee is most commonly affected in osteoarthritis. So what is the risk factor? So one of the risk factors is increased weight, increase in age. The increasing age leads to a degeneration of the cartilage, leads to atrophy of the muscles, which overall increases the risk and is a causative factor for osteoarthritis of the knee. So how do we prevent it? So prevention can be done with regular exercises, with not gaining weight or practically losing weight, some weight, and to keep a good alignment of your lower limbs. How do we do that? We do regular exercises, we do muscle strengthening exercises like quadriceps strengthening, hamstring strengthening, which can be done very easily when at home, even at home, like sitting on a chair, getting your knees straight and then bending down again with some added weights of 1 kg, 1.5 kg weights, which can further stimulate the muscles. It can be even done lying down position, like keeping your legs straight and doing a static quadriceps exercises. For even a person within this global pandemic can walk in their premises, do a brisk walking, which can overall reduce the weight of the person, which will overall help in reducing the pain of osteoarthritis. So what is the current treatment? As we say, prevention is better than cure, but in these cases one should start early exercises, one should get diagnosed early diagnosis is important. So visit your orthopedic surgeon, he'll get you appropriate x-rays done, and once diagnosed, one person should not hesitate in taking some medicines like painkillers, but has to be taken for a shorter time, and then continue with your physiotherapy with like your knee and your hip, this quadriceps and hamstring strengthening. One can take some drugs which have questionable effects, but some of them are proven, like one can take hyaluronic acid, which will be better guided by your orthopedic surgeon, like which patient is more appropriate for the which drug is more appropriate for you. So there are hyaluronic acid, there are glucosamine, there are collagen peptides like type 2 collagen, but eventually the disease progresses and a person might end up getting a total knee replacement done, which actually eases up the pain, which improves the overall function of the body, which overall improves the alignment of your lower limbs, and the patient becomes pain free. But this occurrence of osteoarthritis, getting this total knee replacement is not the first thing to be done. First thing is to get your muscles strengthened, to take some precautions in gaining some weight, have some healthy diet, and have some healthy lifestyle. So with this pandemic, we advise you to continue your walks, continue your morning walks, your evening walks, or some exercises can be done even while sitting on while doing a simple task like watching TV and doing your knee exercises. Thank you. Stay safe.